How to convert iPhone photo to JPG. Let's get started. First, launch your Photos app and navigate to the picture that you want to convert to JPG. Click on the Share option. Now different options will appear. From these options, select the option Copy Photo. Once you have copied the picture, close this and launch your Files app. Now you can navigate to any of the folder. Once you have selected the folder, now what you have to do is press and hold anywhere on the screen. You're gonna get this kind of pop-up. Select the option Paste. Just with that, the picture will be pasted over here. Now launch the picture. Click on the Share option given at the bottom right. Select the option Save Image. Now you can close this and launch your gallery. In your gallery, you will be able to find this picture. Now you can swipe up and over here you're gonna find this. The picture has been converted to JPG. So this is how you can easily convert iPhone photos to JPG. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.